In this episode of Quick Time English Podcast, we talk about how climate change affects cities. Cities are busy places with lots of people and buildings. In 2025, higher temperatures and bad weather make problems worse for urban areas. For example, cities can get very hot because of something called heat islands. Heat islands happen when buildings and roads trap heat, making cities warmer than the countryside. This year, big heat waves have hit many cities, like a huge heat dome in the United States that affected over 255 million people. Flooding is another big issue. Sea levels are rising, which means more water comes into cities near the ocean or rivers. This causes floods and damage to homes and roads. In cities, wind is slowing down because of climate change, which makes air quality worse. Cities also add to the problem. When they grow bigger, they help warm the planet more. These changes affect daily life. They can hurt health, like causing heatstroke for old people or kids. Money-wise, fixing these problems could cost countries a lot, up to trillions of dollars. People might have to move from their homes because of bad weather, food shortages, or no clean water. By 2050, many could leave cities due to these issues. But cities can fight back. We can add more green spaces, like parks and trees, to cool things down. Better buildings and plans can help too. Understanding this helps us make changes. Now, let's practice some everyday words you can use in talks. Climate change means big shifts in weather, like, I worry about climate change because of more storms. Urban area is a city, as in, I live in an urban area with tall buildings. Heat island is when a city feels extra hot, for example, heat islands make summers hard in big cities. Sea level rise means oceans getting higher, like, sea level rise floods coastal towns. Extreme weather includes strong rains or heat, as in, extreme weather damaged my roof last week. Urban greening means adding plants to cities, such as, urban greening helps cool the air. Resilience means getting strong after problems, like, we need resilience to face bad weather. Practice this sentence: climate change brings heat islands, sea level rise, and extreme weather to urban areas, but urban greening builds resilience. Say it twice to remember. Thanks for listening to our chat. How does climate change affect your city? Comment below. Subscribe for more simple talks on important topics. See you next time.